Priority Ace is a single-speed commuter with a flip-flop hub. Sounds pretty typical, but it's not. The belt drive sets it apart from most single-speed or fixed-gear bikes found in today's market.
All Priority bikes run on Gates carbon belt drives. No muss, no fuss, long-wearing drivetrains that are perfect for the rider who just wants to ride without stress. This is a game changer for riders like myself who commute everywhere by bicycle and need their bike to last without babying it after every ride. A belt drive sheds dirt and doesn't rust like traditional chain-based drivetrains. A belt drive single speed is among the easiest bikes to maintain in existence. With no chain or external derailleurs to clean or lube, the Ace is a perfect get-on-and-go bike. A belt drive lasts longer than the average chain under the same conditions, and the nature of the belt without a bunch of chain links and constant need of cleaning, drying, and lubing means the drivetrain is nearly silent. Priority's revolution in ease of use adds to the belt drive's functionality. It offers the first flip-flop hub of its kind. A belt drive that can easily go from single speed to fixed with the same basic tools used for a chain drive bike. This is entirely unique to Priority. Riders who generally prefer riding fixed can turn the wheel around to get a break for long days on the bike.
This model, the Ace of Spades, Priority sporty version of the Ace, comes with a 55-tooth chainring and a 20-tooth cog. It also comes with an outboard sealed bearing bottom bracket, 27.2mm carbon fiber seat post, a 6061 alloy frame and a carbon fiber fork, a fixed cassette sealed bearing rear hub and a sealed bearing front hub, a 32-hole alloy rim with a WTB thick slick at 28mm, and a Gates 300 crankset.
But there are other chainring and rear cog sizes available from Gates.
And a
680mm bars, which add to the comfort but can be chopped if you prefer a narrower bar for squeezing through traffic or maneuvering the bike through doorways. Visually, it's in line with Priority's classic aesthetic. Its lean 6061 aluminum tubing in black colorway make it an unassuming and solid investment that won't go out of style as wildly painted bikes or weird frame configurations tend to do. The only things I would completely change on the Ace would be the tires. The bike ships with thick slicks, which are tough enough for the New York City streets, but don't do as well as other tires in wet conditions, where the Drivetrain, the Ace's unique offering, really shines. But the tires are easy to swap and will wear out eventually anyway. It's worth noting that Priority is a direct-to-consumer bike company. All their bikes are available online, and riders can set appointments for virtual showings online, so it's easy to grab and easy to keep. Overall, the Ace is a great rider-friendly bike for reliable all-weather commuting that may even be safer than a standard single-speed you locked on the street because of the belt drive. We don't suggest testing that, however.
Are you ready to try the first flip-flop hub of its kind? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and follow for more tested episodes.